access road alongside the Carretera in La Fiesta, which would be west of Walmart, west of the stoplight and the shopping center, the mall. Okay, this is looking west on this side road that runs alongside of it. There's one on each side here for a little ways, a couple of miles. And here comes a man with a guitar, and this is looking east. There's a little park in here, and there's an inscription on it that I will show when I get ready to go back. And this will be just a short video. I'm going to walk down in this park. I've never been in it. And then I'm going to come back out. Okay, I don't see any real way to get into it except over here. Okay, I'll go on the other side. The man with the guitar just waved at me and said hello. Okay, there's a sign out in front of it here. Plus there's a old plaque. I'll do the new sign first because these new Chapala Ajijic signs, Jalisco, they don't really tell you a lot. That shows the whole lake on that right there, Lake Chapala. And this shows the western end of Lake Chapala. And then this upper part is going to Guadalajara. The yellow line going up and down at a left angle. It's pink at the very bottom. Okay, that's from Chapala where it comes pink. Okay, and then there's a reference that goes with it. Now I'm going to go over on the other side of it. And this looks like it's the local neighborhood. There's the park right there, the name of it and everything. I guess that's it. Yeah, and here's things on the bottom. Tells different places to go around here. Has arrows pointing to them. The plaza, 20 minutes away, I guess. Okay, I'm going to walk down the steps, and I'll walk down the right-hand side, and I'll come back on the left and just show different things in here. Here's two beautiful lions greeting us at the entrance. They're looking up at the sky. There's a lady walking, but I won't show her up close unless she wants to be interviewed. It's all paved with, looks like big bricks with concrete in between them. They've done some work on some places on it. There's some rough spots. And there's more steps. There's a big archway here. I'll back this off. There's a big archway with a point on the top of it, kind of a pyramid. Okay, here's another big area where you could play basketball, but there's no basketball hoops. I guess you could play soccer on it. Here comes a man with a weed eater or something. He's working on it. Probably a park worker. There's a beautiful yellow building on the other side of it. Hola. Yeah, it's a weed eater. Okay, here's more down here. There's a car parked down here. Now, he didn't drive down these ramps and these steps. There's something that they've just planted. I'm going to walk over here to these steps and walk down these steps. Okay, there's a street down here. So this goes from one street to the other. Well, that's good to know. You can go to the street below it and park here and walk down this. Okay, this is the very bottom end, and this is in part of Lower La Fiesta. The beautiful houses in here and the streets. And nice little roundabouts. There's quite a few. And they've got a little playground over here. So you can bring your children. Now there's 3 swings. See, there goes the car. He's coming by and he's going around the roundabout or rotary. Yeah, he went around it and he's going down that way. Instead of cutting across, he's doing it legal. So that's pretty nice to see somebody not breaking the law. Here's some teeter-totters. Yeah, swings and teeter-totters and houses on both sides with walls, so they're kind of sound barriers. Yeah, and the teeter-totters are, oh yeah, they work pretty good. They're pretty well balanced. Look at that. There used to be a merry-go-round over here, but it's gone. It probably wore out or broke or something happened. This is a bench. I didn't realize these were benches before. And here's the other side of that thing with the pyramid. Okay, they have a flagpole in here. Now we're walking back up to the end of it. I'll hurry along now, because this isn't really much of a little park, but it's kind of neat. It's a place to go and it's shaded. Most of it's shaded. There's some sunny spots, but you always get sun between the trees. Here's the back of the lions from behind them. 2 beautiful lions. Well made. And they kept painted up. I'll walk right up to them. That's the back of them. Then I'll walk around them and up the steps. And I'll show the front of them again, and then I'll show that plaque I talked about at the beginning that's been here since this was built. Okay, there's the 2 lions. They're guarding the entrance to the park. Okay, one last view down the park and at the pyramid. Nice planters here at the entrance. And here's this plaque. It's written in Spanish. So I'll get down and I'll come in on it like I can. Okay, you can pause on that and translate it or however you want to do. And I want to thank you very much for watching my videos, and please tell your friends and tell me anything else you'd like to see. I did a video of something that somebody asked this morning, and I will be putting it up. And here's the Carretera. That's going west. And there's an eastbound car. And the mountains up there. Another car parked along here. Thank you.